Yeah, that's why the kids at camp call me Taco Salad. Yeah. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is that show that you didn't ask for, but we made anyway. This is the Plug Your Holes Shopping Network. This is Katie Avent.
Hello.
I'm Sam Dean. These are Coffin plugs. Tell me about these, Katie.
These are for your ears.
And they're the shape of coffins.
Yes.
We make them in glass. We make them in stone.
Yeah. We have literally every single color you could ever ask for. It's kind of like Shaq. With all the
Shaq comes in other colors?
All of his jerseys do.
Oh,
yeah.
How many teams has Shaq been on? Lakers,
Magic, Celtics.
He was in that.
There's green in there.
He was in a Nick Nolte movie called Blue Chips.
Huh.
Yeah.
I have not seen that movie.
Anyway, these are a great deal. The one thing I would say about them, though, a little hard to fit in the ears in certain sizes.
I would definitely say you still want to make sure that you're ordering true to size, like so the size that you normally wear. Just be mindful that it is a little bit different of a shape, obviously, than a circle. So they're not going to fit exactly like your regular circle plugs would.
And even so, even a little different than a teardrop,
right?
Because they have so many little anglies. But we measure them by circumference, so there's the same distance around as a circular plug or an oval plug or a teardrop plug.
Right.
Or
yeah.
a coffin.
Exactly.
So they work really well. I think they are a great addition to anyone's collection, and they are hot.
Can't even keep them on the shelves.
Yeah, we've had
going like hotcakes.
Proverbial hotcakes. Anything else you want to talk about?
Get them while you can. PlugYourHoles.com.
You can call 1-844-MY-PLUGS, and you can't order them by doing that, but you can talk to Kayla if you'd like. But it's 2020, and I think www.plugyourholes.com will do just fine.
Or maybe a catalog.
Or a catalog.
Like a JCPenney catalog.
Yeah. The Sears, Roebuck, and Plug Your Holes catalog coming to a house near you. I used to use that as toilet paper back in the day. Before toilet paper existed, you used the JCPenney catalog or whatever.
Oh, that's how I made my Christmas list. I just circled it, gave it to my mom.
It was like the Amazon of 1910.
Oh, man.
Just get a big catalog, like a phone book, tools.
They're not near as rich, though, as the guy that owns it.
I mean, they were. Not anymore. Jeff Bezos owns it. I'm surprised he didn't buy Sears just to be like, I own that too now.
Just because I own it.
All right. Well, check these out. Link in the description below. Cheers.
Bye.